China, chai, charcha and conflict. BJP CCP talks raise Congress's ire. Talks held amid the Shakscam face-off. Red eye to red carpet mocks Congress.
हमें बताइए कि इन क्लोज डोर मीटिंग्स में क्या हुआ। भारत के कितने हितों का समझौता करके आप आए हैं।
BJP counters it as a bid to politicize.
इसकी नींव जो है 50 की सदी में 60 में जब पंडित नेहरू जी की सरकार थी, उस समय क्या क्या हुआ सबको जानकारी है, तो कांग्रेस पार्टी इस पे बयानबाजी ना करे।
India rejects Dragon's Shakscam claim.
We have never recognized the so-called China-Pakistan boundary agreement that happened in 1963.
It's the Shakscam standoff that meets Delhi diplomacy, and it's a big focus on India first.
Good evening. The Congress party today launched a frontal attack on the ruling BJP at the centre, saying instead of showing red eyes to China, the government is actually rolling out the red carpet for the Chinese. And this after a delegation of the Communist Party of China called on the RSS General Secretary Dattatreya Hoshmale at the RSS headquarters in Keshav Kunj in Delhi. This meeting is reported to have lasted for about an hour. The Chinese delegation had met and held consultations over advancing inter-party communication with the BJP yesterday. Our political bureau gets you our top story.
हमें बताइए कि इन क्लोज डोर मीटिंग्स में क्या हुआ। भारत के कितने हितों का समझौता करके आप आए हैं।
इसकी नींव जो है 50 की सदी में 60 में जब पंडित नेहरू जी की सरकार थी, उस समय क्या क्या हुआ सबको जानकारी है, तो कांग्रेस पार्टी इस पे बयानबाजी ना करे।
A major political storm has erupted after the BJP hosted a delegation of the Chinese Communist Party in Delhi. Just as India and China face off over the Shakscam Valley. The Chinese delegation led by Vice Minister Sun Haiyan met senior BJP leaders at party headquarters. This marks the first high-level political engagement between BJP and CPC since the Galwan clashes in 2020. CCP leaders also met RSS General Secretary Dattatreya Hoshmale at RSS headquarters. The closed-door meeting lasted 30 minutes. Sources say it was only a courtesy call held at the CCP's request with no formal agenda. The Congress has gone on the offensive, saying China is pushing fresh territorial claims in the Shakscam Valley even as BJP leaders are engaging Beijing's ruling party and questioned whether Galwan, Ladakh, Arunachal and Shakscam were raised during the talks.
लगातार भारत को नुकसान चीन की तरफ से पहुंचता है। इन बैठकों की वजह से पहुंचता है या इन बैठकों के बावजूद पहुंचता है। कल बैठक हुई और कुछ घंटों में शक्सगाम घाटी पर उन्होंने दावा ठोक दिया। हमें बताइए कि इन क्लोज डोर मीटिंग्स में क्या हुआ। भारत के कितने हितों का समझौता करके आप आए हैं।
China is building infrastructure in Shaksgam Valley under China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. Pakistan has illegally ceded 5,180 square kilometers of this area to China, a move India has never recognized.
We have never recognized the so-called China-Pakistan boundary agreement that happened in 1963. We do not recognize the so-called China-Pakistan Economic Corridor either, which passes through Indian territory.
But China has rejected India's claim, insisting that the territory belongs to China.
首先，你提到的领土属于中国领土。
It is fully justified for China to conduct infrastructure construction on its own territory. China and Pakistan in the 1960s signed a boundary agreement and delimited the boundary between the two countries, which is the right of China and Pakistan as sovereign countries. The China-Pakistan boundary agreement and the CPEC do not affect China's position on the Kashmir issue, and the position remains unchanged.
发展和改善民生。
As China tightens its grip on Shaksgam and India pushes back, the BJP CPC meeting has now become a major political flashpoint in New Delhi. Bureau Report, India Today.